Welcome back. Let's make a world map for your map projects. Let's make a new level. Go to Modeling and select Rectangle. Adjust the shape according to your project. Create a material. Create a material instance. Drag the material instance into the rectangle. Save your project always. Open the material. Drag the base texture and connect. Drag the normal texture. Create, multiply, and a param, then connect. Make sure to save your project always. Drag the displacement map. Make sure to enable tessellation. Create, multiply, and a param, then connect. And project files are in the link below. Make sure to enable Nanite in the rectangle also. Open the material instance. Modify it according to your project. Congratulations! You finished a new map that can be used in your projects. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.